To check the oil level in your car, first make sure you've parked on a flat area and the engine is off and cool. Then, pop the hood and locate the dipstick, which is a long rod with a ring on the end of it that's usually found near the front of the engine block. The oil dipstick is almost always yellow, and it often says, "engine oil," on top. Slide your finger inside the ring on the end of the dipstick and slowly pull it out. Use a rag or paper towel to wipe off all of the oil on the end of the dipstick. Then, slide the rod back into the opening you pulled it from. Push the rod all the way down and slowly remove it again. Now, inspect the dots at the end of the rod to see how high the oil reached. If the oil is above the bottom dot, your car's oil level is fine. If the oil is at or below the bottom dot, your car will need an additional 1 quart, 950 milliliters of motor oil.